Hello, my dear students. Welcome in another video lecture of our biodiversity of chordate paper. In this video lecture, we are going to talk about the class Osteichthyes. So, in this class Osteichthyes, so what is Osteichthyes? Osteichthyes class is having all the fishes with bony skeleton, जिनका skeleton bony फॉर्म में होगा और इन पर either they will have cycloid scales or placoid, sorry, not placoid, ctenoid type of scales. So here this Osteichthyes class is having three super orders. So namely a Cathodidae, and second is Actinopterygi, and last is Sacropterygi. So let us come to the another slide. So this is the example of a Cathodidae, that is super order or order we can say. So this is a Cathodidae which is having all the extincted fishes. So these fishes are having the qualities of both cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes, which means that they are having certain endoskeleton which is cartilaginous and some part of endoskeleton which is bony in structure. So as this is extincted class, let us come to the class Osteichthyes, not subclass, we will consider it as superorder. Okay, so superorder Actinopterygi is having all the fishes which are ray fin fishes, and the Sacropterygi includes lobe fin fishes. Now what are ray fin fishes and lobe fin fishes? So here is the difference. So all the ray fin fishes which are included in Actinopterygi superorder are having their bones in the form of arranged in fin, which is in the form of typical rays. So यहाँ पे bony skeleton है इनके fins में, but it is kind of ray like structure. You can observe here. So here you can observe that this is having a ray like structure, यानी strips like arrangement है उनका. They are not having certain definite bony skeleton which is spreaded into the fins. Now when we are talking about another super order, that is Sacropterygi, it is having lobe fin fishes which is which are having the muscle extended into the fins and allowing great flexibility. So here you can observe the difference. So the fins are having bones extended in their fins, and here the fins are in the ray bones are in the ray form inside the fins. Now let us come to the classification. So superorder Actinopterygi is having ray fin fishes, as I said, and these are having certain orders which are total 4 in number. So I'm gonna start with the first order, that is namely Accipinceriformes. So here, wait, I'll change the color. Okay, Accipinceriformes. So this is the order which is the first order of Actinopterygi. So these are the almost ray fin, we can even say that primitive type के हैं, and they are having all sturgeon fin fishes or pedal fishes. They include pedal fishes. And now this is the example of this is pedal fish, which is also called as sawfish. Sawfish इसलिए बोला जाता है because you can observe its snout which is in the form of saw. sword, sword, which is in the form of sword, जिसे हम बोलते हैं तलवार जैसा है इसका स्नाउट, दैट्स वाई इसको स्वॉर्ड फिश बोला जाता है. सो द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ Accipensiformis order is paddlefish, which is commonly called as swordfish. Now let us come to the next order, that is Polypteridae. Polypteriformis, I'm sorry. Polypteriformis is the second order, which is having all the freshwater fishes which are found in the river water, and the best example of this is the fishes which are found in Nile river, and मेनली फाउंड इन शैलो वाटर और फ्लड प्लेन्स. अब फ्लड प्लेन्स क्या होता है? फ्लड प्लेन्स एरिया होता है जो रिवर के पास में होता है. सो द एरिया adjacent to the river are called as flood plains. So it includes the reed fish. You can see here जो reed fish है, this is a grayish in color with a dark vertical marks on its body. And it is having a snout which is in a bit larger in size. You can observe it. It is nearly closely related to the first order. That's why it is having the snout which is long in size, and which is also gives like a sword like structure, but it is not pointed. It is tapered and flattened, blunt in an anterior side, and it is having also black bands or markings on its body between its ribs, which are present or more darker in juvenile stage. Juvenile stage मतलब जो adolescent stage बोलते हैं हम, जो immature stage होती है, and और वो fade होते हैं, they get faded as the fish grows in size or in maturity. Now next example is of the third order, that is this order is Emiformis. You pronounce it as Emiformis or Emiformis. So this is the third order. I think you are unable to see it. Okay. Emiformis. So this is the third order, which is having freshwater, stream water or river water fishes, which can go on to the surface for breathing, and obviously every fish dies when it just comes out of the water level, and even it can breathe in where water level is low. At that time also it can just breathe. It includes the mudfish. So the example is of what you are watching is mudfish. It is also called as bowfin fish. इसको bowfin fish बोला जाता है, and it is also called as mudfish because ये muddy area में पाई जाती है. Another the fourth and last so here I have that clear image of bowfish. You can observe here. So here is the example of fourth order, that is Lepisosteiformis. I'm sorry. Is having Lepizosteiformis order Zostiformis. So this is the fourth and final order which is included into the Actinopterygi. It is having only 7 living species which are in living condition. Only 7 species are there, and 2 genera are there, and they prefer to live in fresh water or brackish water, and they also migrate occasionally to the marine water. So the example of this is garfish or gars. They are also called as needlefish. So you can observe their snout, which is like a needle, which is like needle in appearance. That's why here you can observe it in detail or clearly. So that's why it is called as needlefish. Now our another super order is Sacropterygi. Now Sacropterygi मैंने बोला है that के Sacropterygi में lobed fishes होते हैं, lobed fin fishes होते हैं, and they have 2 dorsal fins. और हाँ एक पॉइंट रह गया that Actinopterygi में सिर्फ 1 dorsal fin होती है, जबकि जो Sacropterygi है उनमें 2 dorsal fins होती है, and they are air breathing animals, fishes. They are air breathing fishes. अब ऐसे क्यों बोला जा रहा है? So there are 2 orders included in it. First order is Crossopterygi. So this is the first order which is included into the super order Sacropterygi. It is having fishes which have paired lobulated fins, and sparacles are present. अब sparacles क्या होते हैं? These are the small openings which are present at the body or lateral side of the body for breathing purpose. So air bladder is vestigial in them. It is present but it is not in use, and the example of this is Latimeria. You can observe here, this is the Latimeria. It is having grayish blue color with irregular spots, white spots. You can observe these are the irregular white spots on its body here, and it is having a golden colored eye, which is just highlighted, or we can say that which is more sparkling. So another and last order which is included into the Sacropterygi is Dipnoi. So this is Dipnoi. So this is the Dipnoi order. So order Dipnoi is having the fishes, or the meaning. First of all, I'll explain the meaning. Is di means double. 2 के लिए यूज़ करें तो 2 नहीं डबल बोल रहे हैं हम. एंड ये जो पिनोइज है तो इसमें इट इज़ पिनोय, PNOEA, which means that breathing. So they are double breathing, ऐसा बोला जा रहा है. That is they are having internal nares, जो हमारा नेर्स होते हैं. तो आपको पता ही होंगे कि नेर्स क्या होते हैं. ये जो नॉस्ट्रल्स के अंदर साइड पे होता है ब्रीदिंग पर्पज़ के लिए. सो दे आर हैविंग इंटरनल नेर्स, एंड एयर ब्लैडर भी होता है इनमें. स्पैरकल्स एब्सेंट होते हैं एंड एयर ब्लैडर इज़ इन यूज़. इसमें 2 पेड bladder होंगे which are lung like in structure, and the example of this is lungfish. Here you can see this is the lungfish. The lungfish is having 3 living genera, and it once used to be supposed as the ancestor for the amphibians. It is a freshwater fish, and it has a single lung. That's why it cannot breathe out of the water, but it can just breathe with the help of lung. So here the complete classification of class Osteichthyes ends up to the order level. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.